Hello everyone, this is the pan flute I made, or in this case it's called the singing straws. You play this instrument just by blowing into the straws like this. So this instrument can change pitch and also it can change loudness. So to change the pitch of this instrument, the longer straws have lower pitches and as you get shorter, the shorter straws have higher pitches. This is because the vibrations in the shorter straws are a lot more frequent than the vibrations in the longer straws. So here's some low pitch and high pitch. And then to change the loudness, you just have to either blow harder or softer. So if you blow harder, it plays louder, and if you blow softer, it plays quieter. So here is loud and quiet. So this is my pan flute or my singing straws.